Don't worry. Sign here. What do you mean? This is not a joke. Come quickly. Did you get my point? Can I ask you something? Tell me about it. I feel the same. Can you say that again? I want to have a look at it. Do it your way. The time has come. Don't worry, I was joking. Don't forget to come early. I have to take a shower. Take a seat beside me. Take your time. I take medicine twice a day. I have an exam today. I can take pictures. Don't make excuses. Don't abuse him. Let me take a bath. That's right, I understand. Keep in touch. Believe me. Trust me. Control yourself. I am wait for you. I went out. I can't move. Can you show me the way? Where are they from? I have to say everything. Tell me if you find it. Let's try again. I'd never leave you. Take care.